Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Umalondi. Guys, I am late. So I'm trying to get ready while starting this vlog. We don't have electricity, so I have a lot of work to do, and I've decided to go to a restaurant. I'm still gonna decide whether I'm going to the restaurant or to the car wash because I need to wash my car. And I need to work. So if they do have plug points at the car wash, I'm just gonna sit down and work from the car wash instead of going to the restaurant. Reason why I have my makeup done and all of that, because you guys are probably wondering and then you all claimed up. That's because we're going out later today with my family, my sisters and the kids. We're going to celebrate Upasa. We're gonna guys. Like, she passed the, what term was it? Was it the second term? I think it was, oh no, third term. She passed her third term with good marks. So we need to celebrate that. Therefore, we're going out. Any reason to celebrate, eh? Any reason to go out. We're going out. I don't know who's living on this side, eh? I do not know. So we're going out later. And obviously because it's happening and we can't stay out ebusuku till late, because even kusasa we have an early morning for an event that we're going to as a family. Guys, I'm that person now, eh? I don't go out to drink. I just do wholesome things, hey, family things. But anyway, that's about it. We don't have electricity. Oh, I did explain that. Good guys. I think I'm gonna put my shades here at the top just to make it look better. Let me just go get my shades over there. So if I put these shades here, yeah, it looks better. I just need to that's in bad. Hey guys, I don't know, eh? Maybe think what's in the iron, but I ain't gonna guess because we live in South. Things like this, it just happens. Hey, I don't know, hey guys, I do not know, and I don't want to change the Swift to the other one, because it's a mess cool, and I'm gonna fucking keep it because she's, but I might as well put on a cap, eh? If I'm gonna have hair that looks like this, I might as well just put on a cap and go. Let me pick a cap that I'm gonna wear. I'm wearing this bodysuit from Shein, from the Shein haul that I posted the other time. I think it's a video before this one. You can just go check it out. And I'm gonna throw on a pair of jeans. Yeah, she's a para one of her jeans. I'm gonna wear these jeans from H&M. Two are my mom jeans, but they don't look like mom jeans. They just look like nice, curvy, skinny jeans. So that's what I'm gonna wear. And I knew now. You know what? I'll speak to you guys when I get to the car because I'm not paid even. So once I get to the car, I'm gonna be able to charge, and then I'm gonna speak to you guys. Okay, I've just put on a cap. I think it looks better like this, but my ears are funny. And the cap is also from Shein. I know guys, I'm gonna wear these clothes on the vacation, but they're just sitting there looking at me. So I don't know, maybe I might buy another bodysuit for the vacation then, because I'm already, like, I've worn this before, so this is the second time Gay Koga. And the cap I've been wearing the cap, eh? I have been wearing the cap. And I'm not about to buy another one because I have my cap that I can wear anytime, anywhere. So yeah, as I'm on my way to the car wash. You know what's the problem? Problem is the time right now is 1 and the whole day. So that's the biggest problem with Ngilambili. And I don't want to eat anything heavy because I'm going to eat later on at 6. So I don't know. Maybe I'm going to get a smoothie first before going to the car wash. Like go to Kauai and get a smoothie. Then go to the car wash. Oh, I'm just going to get coffee from the car, because the car washing again. I don't know if you guys know it, but I think I say it's a Caltex garage. So I'm gonna buy coffee inside and then have my coffee and work instead of going to buy in Ulugu heavy. I'm gonna eat anyway soon. So yeah, I'm rambling, I know. But anyway, let's go to the car wash. I look so good. I look like a snack and a half. I'm at the car wash, guys. Yo, it's packed. It's packed. There's a long queue. Okay, it's not that long. There's like 2, 4, 5 cars before me. Yeah. Get paid. Yo. Tell her a wash and wipe. A full house.
Wash and wipe?
Full house. Full house 7 rand.
80 rand. Wash and wipe 70 rand. Wash and go 50 rand.
Saying it's a full house. Guys, I do not even know what do all these things mean. Oh, wash and go, wash and wipe, full house. Thank you. Yeah, well. So I'm gonna be parked here for like a long time before I get to sit down. There's literally nothing else to buy at the garage besides papaya and snacks. And I also bought juice. I think it's a red grape flavor. I wanted the cranberry flavor, but it wasn't there. So I opted for this one because I don't have a reason here. Guys, I've just decided to start working in the car because it's Katisambile. I mean, it's quarter to 3 now, and I'm still here. So I wasted my money as washing. But actually, if you really washing on the inside, because I mean, yeah, on the inside, not on the outside, because apparently he's in modern. And let me tell you. Okay guys, I'm done at the car wash. I'm now at the mall. I'm waiting for everyone to arrive because I think they're gonna go home and freshen up a bit and then come back. But me, I wasn't about to do that because I need to do work. I didn't work properly. But anyway, I'm done at the car wash, and I'm actually not satisfied because one, I paid for a full house. And from what that guy told me, we would see they're gonna do everything and like wash it squeaky clean, vacuum the car, wipe anything that needs to be wiped. Okay, that's fine. And then when I get there, by washing apparently, and then they handed over the car to the ladies who do lo munye umsebenzi, yabo, because the guys are washing the outside and then the ladies have to do ngaphakathi. And guys, no offense, but if le monto ibewashwe umfana ngaphakathi bingeke benje. And I'm saying this because it's not my first time going to that car wash. I mean, that's my car wash. That's where I go whenever I want to wash the car, you know. And every time I'm cleansing, and they do an excellent job. Hence why I keep coming back, you know. But then we all know Uguti, women towards other women, they're just shitty and not nice people, you know. Because sometimes as you figure bank, you'd prefer to be held by a guy because women give shitty service to other women and it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. Guys, it has dust. It has dust. And I even had to ask the ladies who could say vacuum because I paid for a full house. Yabo. And nakhona man kusigele ehudula nje coming to vacuum the car because igcwele dust inamaphepha. Okay, fine, amaphepha mhlambe kancane ukwakhipha maybe the important, that's fine, but it carpets bangcolile. Carpets bangcolile and I don't get it. I don't get it, you know. Hey guys, I'm here to close off the vlog. We're done eating, now we're going home. Yeah, we're done eating, now we're going home. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because there's nothing interesting, so we're just gonna go rest and that's it. Hi guys, good morning guys. Today is a Saturday, and namhlanje we're going to a family fun day thingy at church in Devon. So we're about to leave now for Devon. Yeah, it's a fundraising thing. That's just what I'm doing, if you're being honest. So we're going to that. We're gonna be playing games there. People signed up for games, and obviously because I'm not a talented person, I signed up for a race. So I'm gonna be running a 5 kilometers race because I can't play netball, I can't play football, I can't play all those fun things. And yeah, so that's what's happening today. I'm just waiting for everyone to finish inside the house, and then this papa masambeni keke. I wanna drive us going there, and then my sister's gonna drive on our way back because I'm doing Katele and I've only had like 3 hours of sleep. So while I'm still awake and alert, might as well just drive, you know. So yeah, that's it. Plans for today is to go to the church thingy. After that, I want to go do my measurements for a dress that I'm going to, and also another dress that I just want. I'm not sure if it was going to get again. that type of dress. Then come back home, work. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll update the vlog probably later today, or when I'm going to do measurements for Ingu. I'll probably update the vlog then, because I don't think like in my background, I'll update. I'll just take videos. I mean, I've told you guys what's happening, so I'm just gonna take videos and then insert them. Umfishane ngenkani. Amdala zincane lengane. Ushe zamuntu. What's that? Ayan. Yun lang. Ayan. Hey guys. I last spoke to you guys is Zolo Exeni before I went to the family fun day thingy at church. And let me tell you something. That 5 kilometers run killed me yesterday, because I only woke up at 1. I've been sleeping since last night. Well, I did wake up in the middle of the night to eat, because I came back and went straight to bed. We came back at 4, went straight to bed, and then woke up at 1. I was super hungry, ate, and then went back to bed. Go on today. 1 to be specific. And my body is so, it shows with I'm unfit, like I'm Jimmy, like I used to. Yeah. So today I'm going to run a few errands, not really run a few errands. I'm just going to buy a few things that I need. I thought I was gonna do this tomorrow, but then I'm just like, I don't want to get out of the house tomorrow. Okay, I want to work, rest, even catch up with a lot of things that I need to catch up with on my other work, you know. So let me just go buy whatever that I need to buy today. And I might actually end the vlog today, because I don't think there's anything interesting besides me going to work. And I'm not gonna vlog that, because I've been vlogging that and I'm sure it's boring. Guys, I'm done picking up a few things from Echikasi, and also went to Woolies to get these essentials. So I'm about to leave now, going back home to prepare Sunday, because I want to make something nice for the family, like braai vibes type of thing, but with an oven, because at this time. Never that. So yeah. Oh, so I saw this guy who lent to Domingo at Checkers, you know. And then when I was leaving Checkers, we up home. So I'm following him behind. How to do me? I'm just like, what's happening now? As I was there, to slice it TV, so and I'm just like, how does he know you? Because you're the one on TV. Yeah, and he also said the same thing with her. Kanti ubani osuke ebona omunye ku-TV. Uthi ya siyakubona phela ku-TV nawe kumele kodwa manje uyasibona nawe. I'm just like, kanti i-TV senza kanjani? Anyway, that's that. I'm going home. There's nothing interesting that's gonna happen, so I'm gonna close off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys when I see you. I don't know what's going to look at it. And right now I just spent imali check out the right now, because like I said, I'm preparing for a vacation. But then I figured all the things that I have left in my cart, I can actually buy them from anyway. Yeah, well, I don't need to just buy them from Shein. I can get them from H&M or Cotton On, of which I might do that month end in preparation for the vacation. Also, I'm not gonna vlog this weekend. I'll be doing the same thing that I did last weekend. No, this coming weekend I'll be doing the same thing that I did the last weekend, which is a staycation with my boyfriend. Because it's simpler that way, guys. It is simpler that way. It's better if he travels to see me here than me going to Opongolo, because that's far. 1, 2, being in Pongola to visit my boyfriend is kind of tricky, because Pongola is home. So if they see my car, they expect me to be home. Anyway, bye guys. I'm enjoying this sour so much. Sour glowworms, love them. Wonke umuntu ongaziyo knows ukuthi me and sour sweets. Sour anything actually. That's me. Anyway, bye guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and make sure that you catch up on my old videos as well. Yeah.